We're gonna do so much next year on this channel that I've learned on how to pretty much make money. We're gonna do it on this channel. So if you're all about making money, subscribe to this channel. If you're all about making money, subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss out on those videos. I'm telling y'all, I got something in the works that y'all don't want to miss out on. I'm telling you. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Today, we're going to be going over my Robinhood 2020 recap. You guys are going to be able to see everything about my Robinhood, what happened this year in this video, all of my stats. So if you want to be nosy, stick around. Before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600. That promotion is only running until the end of December, so don't miss out on those 4 free stocks. Also, if you want to grab some Bitcoin, the link is down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell Bitcoin is using the app called COINBASE. But enough talking, let's go ahead and let's just go ahead and get straight into this video. Here we are, YouTube. We're going through this. This is my first time going through this. If you guys want to do it as well for your Robinhood account, check your email if they sent it out. Just click that link. But as I see this for the first time, you guys are seeing it for the first time as well. So 2020 has been quite the year. Let's take a look back. All right. More investors started their journey on Robinhood than ever before. That's pretty cool. Remember the day you started? You joined on January 12th, 2017. Wow. Hey, see, I told you it's not about where you start or how you start, it's about how you finish. Yes, I started my account all the way back in 2017. Some of y'all think I just started this year. Oh, you got a lot of money because you got a $40,000 account. Shit. Man, I think at the end of 2017, let's see, I just started January 12, 2017. Within that whole year, my account was probably at $800 at the end of my first year. So yeah, it's not about where you start, it's about where you finish. Because as I got more comfortable investing, I started to pick some great companies, and then I found some really good companies that I really love, and I stuck with those companies. I learned how to trade, I learned how to do options, I lost some money, I made some money, and now that I have made all of those mistakes, this year was one of my best years because I put everything I learned into one single year on Robinhood, and I had a pretty incredible year. I think I'm up like 28% this year alone. All right, so I started back in 2017. All right, the first time you bought a stock was pretty cool. Car Therapeutics. I think that was a medical company, if you know what I mean. You know, the medical company. I can't really say that on YouTube, but I bought it at $11.08, and it was under healthcare. Was Car healthcare, or was it a medical, like medicinal company? Maybe it was medical. All right, so I don't have Car anymore inside of my stock portfolio. So that is, like I said, some of the things I did early on didn't make any sense, but now it's starting to make sense. You kept close to your investments. You checked your investments 6 days a week this year. So every 6 days I check my app, and I think this is telling a lie because I check my app pretty much every day. But yeah, maybe on Sunday I didn't check my app until I started making videos on Sunday. But yeah, every 6 days I check my investments. Ooh, look at all them days. I made 345 trades so far this year. Trades is whether I bought something or I sold something. So I either bought, hey, there we go. I just got some money from COINBASE. Link down in the description. But yeah, I made 345 trades this year. I either bought or sold stocks. So that's almost one a day. You know, 365 days, 345 trades. That's almost one a day. But some days I did more than one trade in a single day. So that's called day trading. But 345 trades, that's not bad. It's kind of a lot. Here you go. You're just a little attached. One of the stocks you watched, you checked AMD the most, 884 times. And I made some of the most money off of AMD. So you best believe I was checking AMD because I got a lot of money investing into AMD, over $9,000 investing into AMD. So yes, of course, I'm gonna check it 884 times. I checked Tesla 213 times, and I checked on AGNC, which is a real estate REIT that pays a double-digit dividend every single month. It's a monthly paying dividend stock. I checked that one 173 times. You made some new discoveries this year. You added 47 companies to your watch list, including 3M, yes, Amazon, yes, and Lithium Americas. I probably got rid of that one, not gonna lie. But Johnson & Johnson, NSRGY, Hershey. Okay. If you guys want to see my full portfolio, make sure you subscribe because that video is coming soon. All right, so you chose stocks in 8 sectors. So the first sectors, I chose stocks in manufacturing and materials, consumer goods, business, finance, hospitality, energy and water, healthcare, tech, media, and telecom. All right, so the last one I've invested into was tech, media, and telecom. So I invested into 8 different sectors this year. Hey, this is some good information Robinhood is spitting out, and it looked kind of cool. That's what makes Robinhood so addictive, is because, hey man, look at this. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. It's kind of addictive. All right. You made some pocket change this year. As of December 15th, you made 88 cents in interest on my uninvested cash. So when I have cash just sitting around, I'm signed up for the Robinhood card, and I made 88 cents this year, which is nothing really, because I really don't leave money inside my account. If it's money in here, it's invested. I really don't have it sitting around. Only time I have it sitting around is maybe for a couple of days to see if the price of a stock that I really want is going to drop any further, and then I pick it up at the bottom. But for the most part, I really don't keep too much cash in here. And there we go. And you got paid a little extra this year hey, I like the animation. Let's do that one more time. Bam, there we go. This year, as of December 15th, you were paid $433 worth of dividends. Yes, sir. That's how I started this channel, guys. Just dividend investing. So I'm up to $433 this year. Hopefully next year is at $800, and then $1,600, and then $3,200, and then $6,400, and so on and so on and so on. So 20 years from now, I'll be rolling in dough. I'll be rolling in cash, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's scroll down one more time. By the way, you're a trendsetter. I referred 33 friends this year. We all got some free stocks out there. So, I got 33 free stocks from Robinhood. Appreciate it. 33 friends. At least I know 33 of you dreamers out there really mess with me. Y'all really fool with me in this channel. I really appreciate that. All right, we're on slide of 11 of 13. Let's see what the last 2 are. This doesn't look like anything. For informational purpose only. One final slide, and there it goes. Thanks for making us a part of your investing journey. Here's to 2021. So 2021 is gonna be amazing, guys. Save my recap. Yeah, just go ahead and save that. Yeah, guys, so 2021 is gonna be insane. Like, all the things I learned from, you guys seen it from 2017, 2018, 2019, and during the pandemic, throughout all of 2020. I'm gonna implement all of those years that I've been gathering, learning, researching. I'm gonna gather all of that information and bring it over to 2021. So make sure that you guys subscribe to this channel, because in 2021, I'm gonna have a little bit more cash, a little bit more money, and we're gonna make some major moves on Robinhood, on this channel, on the Dream Green Show. So make sure that you guys subscribe to this channel, because 2021 is gonna be amazing. We're gonna invest into dividend companies. We're gonna invest into new IPOs. I think Robinhood is IPO next year. We're gonna see how we're gonna play that. We're gonna be investing into penny stocks to try to even triple our money or 10x our money. We're gonna do option trades. We're gonna do premium costs. We're gonna do the wheel strategy. We're gonna do so much next year on this channel that I've learned on how to pretty much make money. We're gonna do it on this channel. So if you're all about making money, subscribe to this channel. If you all about making money, subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss out on those videos. I'm telling y'all, I got something in the works that y'all don't want to miss out on. I'm telling you. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Hitting the thumbs up button helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. But other than that, guys, I just want to say thank you now that we're at the end of the year for everyone that have been subscribed to my channel, that have been watching my videos. I just want to say thank you. Without you, there would be none of this, and making videos would be very, 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 very tough to make videos 3-4 times a week if I didn't know you guys was out there thumbs up in my videos or liking my videos. But I really appreciate that. So, but I'm gonna end it on this note. There's nothing more to say except for I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.